Right guys, don't walk to Aldi, run to Lidl.
Right, let's grab a basket and let's get to it. Oh, look at them Belgian buns. Oh.
And first off, we're going to grab some of this smoked chorizo, $2.99. Next, we're going to grab some of this Mediterranean style vegetables, £1.49. Right, next on the list, we're going to grab some of this ready cooked roast chicken breast fillets. Also, you want to grab yourself chopped tomatoes. You want to get yourself a chicken flavoured microwave rice. And finally, you want to get yourself one of these fajita seasoning mixes, only 36p. Right, Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back on now, Lucy. So what exactly are you going to be cooking me?
We are going to be having a really simple air fryer dish, chicken chorizo, veg and rice. And we've also got some fajita seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like. So starting off with taking the skin off my chorizo and slicing it up. So once that's all cut, I'm getting this into the air fryer, like so. And I'm also going to add the veg straight in as well. And I'm going to get this in there for about 5 minutes on 200. So whilst that's cooking away for the 5 minutes, I'm just going to cut up my pre-cooked chicken. So the chicken's all cut up now. I'm going to add my fajita seasoning, or you could use any seasoning that you like. And I've got a little jug here and the chopped tomatoes. So that's going to go into the jug. Oh, bit of paper there. And the fajita seasoning, and we're going to mix that up. So that's had 5 minutes now, so we're just going to get it out. And as you can see, all the chorizo there is all bringing its flavours out there onto the veg. So make sure you break up your rice in the bag first, get that straight in. You don't need to microwave that first. Then get your tomatoes in there, get them all out. And then in goes your chicken. Now, if you're not using ready cooked chicken, you can put that in the air fryer first and make sure it's cooked, because obviously the chicken needs to cook first. So we're going to give that really good stir. Make sure you get all that rice coated and the chicken as well, like so. And this is going to be back in there now. I'm just going to put it in for about 7 minutes. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? And that's it, it's ready. So we're going to bowl this up. Look at that. Absolutely looks and smells absolutely amazing.
That is frazzled. Steaming.
And that is a really quick meal idea. For
Guys, look at that. Look how easy that was. What an absolute amazing savvy meal. And them flavours are just, oh, the smell is amazing. Mediterranean fajita air fryer mix. Right, let's give it a try and let's see what it's like. Right, here we go then. Oh. Them flavours are absolutely fireworks in your mouth. Don't walk to Lidl, run to Lidl and go and give that a try.